Hello everybody, this is Mr. Steez here with another watch video. I'm going to be doing the Watchgang Tier 1, 100 points. Let's see, none of the Tier 1s really kind of caught my eye. And I don't like silicone bands, they get all sweaty. So let's just pick two, because I'll probably end up getting one of these anyway. That's just the way it works. So we'll go with the Simplify in the second spot. Let's see. Why not the Helbrose? I like the more chrono or the, no, I don't want a Harding. There's this cool Budweiser can one. Not gonna do that though. Probably find that on eBay somewhere. That one's pretty cool, even though it's only in the red. Wow, this is terrible. I don't know which ones to pick. And I don't want a silicone strap. My Apple Watch has a silicone strap and I do not like it. So I guess we're gonna go, let's just go with the Helbrose. Okay, Tier 2 watches. These are really a no-brainer for me, at least. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of looking at these before I made the video. I just have to re-find them. A lot of the rain watches are really, really, really cool. I just have to locate them. This one's cool. Rain automatic. Black, black, black. Black leather band. Let's go ahead and select that one. Some bands down there you're able to purchase, but I don't know. Don't want those. Let's see, one more for this. There's a pretty cool Balmer. This one's cool. Rain automatic. Yeah, let's do that one again. Let's do this. Do another rain. Alright. Now I got a monthly subscription, as you can tell in my last video, and I did get an out of order, so let's do the out of order Casanova. That's the one I got, but I want the metal band. I got the leather band, which I'm really excited about, and I've been looking at these. I want, where is it? Right here. Armor Light Shatterproof glass. And the grill. So let's take a spin. Alright, which one did I get? Cool. So I got that one. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit about my watch preferences, how I got the out of order watch, and I feel like no one ever really goes into detail about that. So stick around for the next one, and we'll get back into it.